Hey you! Wanna go from this to this
Wow.
without knowing how to write a single line of code? Then I got you! To do this, we will be using ChatGPT and the website builder of GoHighLevel. First step, go on ChatGPT and ask it to write your code. In this example, we're going to use a fade in and out, a zoom in and out, and a spin animation. Second step, copy all of your codes and paste them on your website builder. In this case, we're going to go on Settings, Custom CSS, and paste our codes. Once you're done pasting all of your codes, you want to stay in this page and locate your classes. Lucky you, ChatGPT tells you where your classes are. As you can see right there, it tells you to apply the animation to the text. In this case, our first class is fade in out. Our second class is zoom in out. And our third class is spin. Once you located all of your classes, you can save. Now, last step, you're just going to click on your object, go on Advanced, and paste your custom class. So basically, anything you want to fade in and out, you're just going to go on Advanced, Custom Class, and paste this. We can do the same thing for this title right there. Advanced, paste your custom class. Now, if you want to input another animation on another object, you just go and copy the class. In this case, it is going to be zoom in and out. And you're going to apply it. We're going to apply this animation to this image. There you go. Now you can do the same thing for the third animation. This is the final product. Congrats! You can now animate the whole website without writing a single line of code. If you enjoyed this video,
do not like and subscribe. Take care.